Hi there, little artists! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a cute, hard-working bee. And I will tell you the story, The Kindness of the Busy Bee. Okay, let's go! In a sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers, there lived a little bee named Buzz. Buzz was a very busy bee. Every day, he would fly from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar to bring back to his hive. He loved his job because he knew that the nectar he gathered would be turned into honey, which all the bees in the hive enjoyed. One bright morning, as Buzz was buzzing around the meadow, he noticed something unusual. A small butterfly named Bella was sitting on a flower, but she wasn't moving. Buzz flew closer and asked, "Hello, Bella, why are you sitting so still? Don't you want to flutter around like usual?" Bella sighed, "I would love to, Buzz, but my wings feel too tired today. I don't know if I can fly anymore." Buzz thought for a moment. He knew how important it was for Bella to get her energy back, and he wanted to help. So he said, "Don't worry, Bella, I'll share some nectar with you. It's full of sweetness and will help you feel better." With that, Buzz flew off to find the juiciest, most colorful flowers. He worked extra hard, collecting the best nectar he could find. When his little basket was full, he hurried back to Bella and offered her the nectar. Bella sipped the nectar gratefully. As she drank, her wings began to flutter again, slowly at first, and then more quickly. Soon, Bella was able to fly. She twirled around in the air, her wings sparkling in the sunlight. "Thank you so much, Buzz," Bella said, happily fluttering around. "You've made me feel strong again. I can't wait to visit all the flowers with you." Buzz felt very happy. He had been busy all day, but helping Bella made his work even more special. He learned that sharing and helping others can bring as much joy as collecting nectar for honey. From that day on, Buzz made sure to always keep an eye out for friends who might need a little help. He knew that even though he was small, his kindness could make a big difference. And so, Buzz continued to buzz around the meadow, spreading sweetness wherever he went, not just from the flowers, but from his kind heart too. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids. For more exciting drawing adventures, see you next time!